Guys, welcome back. This is Brian from the BTNHD, and yes, ATX Tower. This is all due to the PC part list that I did with you guys video. We went over all the parts that I'm going to be using for this special build, our December 2016 build, last quarter of the year. Why not build a computer, right, together? All right, so let's take a closer look on the Stryker M tower. All right, so it comes with a nice little manual, definitely a must to have, so you know what's what. Cool. Screws in the back. Let's take the bottom part out, take the top part out. Here we go. Make sure I don't lose these guys, because I definitely need it. And we're gonna slide this guy. I believe we slide it. Is it out or in? There it goes. Slide it. There you go. Oh, we got more plastic. And take this guy. So it is made out of plastic, but you're able to. It looks like you're able to customize it. Maybe you could switch it up to a tempered glass. Ooh, that's pretty cool. All right, taking a quick look inside. It looks awesome. One of the cool things I like about the Stryker M tower is that this guy, you're able to remove it. This is where you insert all your hard drives. And they do provide you the trays, which is always a plus. Screws, they definitely need. This is where you put your power supply. Your VGA, it supports about 390 millimeters. That's the length, which is dead on. Take the two standard, I believe these guys look like 240 millimeter fans, and replace it with a single 240 liquid cooling system or radiator right here in the front, or you can put it at the top. Especially for this special build, this December build that we're doing, I am using, I believe, the Corsair 54.0 cooling system. I think it's the H75. I think that's the one I'm going to be using. And I'm definitely going to be mounting it either in the front or at the top. Woo, it's cool. Front is really standard, nothing too special about it. You got the power right here, reset button is all the way over here. At the very top, we have only two 3.0 USB. We have a headphone jack as well as a mic jack. These guys, one of the cradles, because most likely you need to have an additional cradle to fit the solid state drive on this standard SATA cradle. You can actually put the solid state drive on the side panel right here, which is a plus. I'm just going to use it the way it is. I'm going to be placing our Gigabyte 970 motherboard pretty soon. I'm going to try to work on it hopefully this month, November, and then by December I should be finished, right? December build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing slash like an overview of the Rosewill Stryker M ATX tower. And leave comments right below. Again, make sure to catch the other videos because I'm going to be going over all the parts and then slapping them into the tower. Again, leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.